Good morning, students. That day we have studied here first chapter, Introduction to Geometrical Figures. In this chapter we studied these quadrilateral, rectangle, square and triangle. Quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. Rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. And in rectangle, opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. Square has 4 edges and 4 corners, and all the sides of a square are of equal length. And last one, triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Then you see in your textbook this page number 5. Page number 5 you see this picture. Observe the surface of a table. In your textbook this page number 2. You see the surface of this table. This one corner, edge, corner, this edge, corner, edge, and this one also corner, and this middle side edge. Then you write here names, which one corner and which one edge. Then next one, see here questions given, page number 3. How many edges does the surface have? How many edges does the surface have? 4 edges. How many corners does the surface have? This surface have here 4 corners. Then what is the shape of the surface of the table? You see here. What is the shape of this surface of this table? Quadrilateral. Then next one, see here one question given. Complete the following table. Here figures given. Then you write in front of this name of the figure. Then number of edges and number of corners. In your notebook you draw this figure. Firstly question write. Complete the following table. Complete the following table. Then you draw here figure. In your notebook make columns. Next one column, name of the figure, name of the figure,
I should predict this one.
you make one table in your notebook. This make columns. First one figure, name of the figure, number of edges and number of corners. Next one, number of edges, number of corners, number of corners. Then you draw here one figure. This one figure quadrilateral. You write here number of edges 4, number of corners 4. Then next one rectangle. You write here name rectangle. Here number of edges 4, number of corners 4. Then next one square. Here name write 4 squares. Number of edges 4, number of corners 4. Then next one figure you draw here triangle. Then you write here name triangle. Here number of edges 3, number of corners 3. Then last one circle. circle. Number of edges 0, no edges and no corner, means number of edges 0 and number of corners also 0. Then next one, see this activity in your textbook, page number 3. See here some pictures given. Look at the pictures below, identify the geometrical figure, draw it and write its name. Here pictures given, then this picture which like this figure, then you draw here and name of this figure also write. Then this one, first one picture rectangle type, then you draw here figure rectangle and here write here name of figure rectangle. Then next one, here see this picture like as a square carom board, then you draw here this square figure and you write name here square. Then you see this sandwich, this triangle type of this, then you draw here figure this triangle and write here name triangle. Then last one, you see this picture, this playing this game of this rectangle type of this mobile phone. You see this picture and you write here figure this rectangle and write here name rectangle. Last one, you see this ring like as a circle, means here figure circle, you draw here and here name write this circle. Okay, in homework you complete this. Firstly, all of you take this textbook. Without textbook you not understand, and you take textbooks and you complete this homework. Okay, then next one question you see here, identify the triangles, circles and quadrilaterals in the following picture. Here one picture is given and you identify this in this picture which one these triangles, circles and quadrilaterals. Color the triangles red. Here you see this picture of these triangles, then you give here color red. Then quadrilaterals, where quadrilaterals, you see this picture quadrilateral, here you see here quadrilateral picture and you give here this color blue. And the circles, where circles, and you give here color this yellow. Then in homework you complete this. Okay, then next one, here activity is given, practical project. Then here in this first chapter completed. Which one first chapter? This introduction to geometrical figures. In homework you complete this. Firstly you take this textbook. Then second chapter number work. Then this second chapter tomorrow we will study. Okay, bye.